Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. We're excited to kick off the first of 12 workshops featuring weekly insights on event management, where we will be diving into what event management is all about. Event management is the art of bringing ideas to life, whether it's a wedding, a concert, or a corporate conference. As an event manager, you're not just organizing. You are creating, solving problems, and supporting clients to tell their story through memorable experiences. In this week's workshop, we will explore the different types of events, such as accessibility, corporate, social, cultural festivals, sports, and even virtual events. Each event has its own unique challenges, from logistical planning for a corporate conference to creative design for a wedding. Your goal is to create seamless experiences that go beyond your client's expectations. With a growing industry and trends like hybrid events, the opportunities are endless. Whether you want to work independently or with a team, the career paths in event management are incredibly diverse. If you're ready to dive deeper, join our full event management workshop at amadissoninsight.com. In next week's workshop, we're breaking down the event planning process step by step. By subscribing to our website, you'll get access to detailed lessons, industry insights, case studies, and practical exercises. Don't miss it. Remember, an unforgettable event starts with a great plan. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell. Click the link below to subscribe and gain access to exclusive content. Let's elevate your event management skills together. Thank you for watching.